वी वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग। मतलब यस, बोले आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा, आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा। आई वाज ऑल अलोन इन दैट रूम एंड आई वाज जस्ट 19 or 20. Okay, which type of compromise does your producer want? Like, do I have to go for parties? Do I have to go for dinner? I do not want to go there जहाँ वो बोले you have to sleep with the producer. I do not want to go there जहाँ वो बोले you have to sleep with the producer. मतलब I think your producer wants a girl to sleep with, not a very talented girl to work with. A girl to sleep with, not a very talented girl to work with. I'm a very strong personality when I come across. Like, you know, I don't let anybody look at me also like that. Because I'm like, don't you dare to do that. I am like that. My personality is like that. So yes, I faced it once, you know, and I think I faced it twice. Okay. बहुत पहले जब छोटी थी तो मुझे साउथ फिल्म के लिए बुलाया गया था and he called me in his room and he said कि अंकिता we want to ask you something. मतलब yes, बोले आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा. And I was so smart because I was all alone in that room and I was just 19 or 20. Yeah. And then he asked me and I was like, okay, which type of compromise does your producer want? Like, do I have to go for parties? Do I have to go for dinner? Because I was not, I do not wanted to go there जहाँ वो बोले you have to sleep with the producer. And the moment he said, मैंने उसकी बैंड बजा दी थी. मतलब I think your producer wants a girl to sleep with, not a very talented girl to work with. And I left from there. And he was like, I'm really sorry, Ankita, but I'll try to take you in my film. I said, if you try and if you take me also, I'm not interested in your film. You know, I was I think from my childhood I was like that, you know. So मुझे किसी चीज क्योंकि ये और मुझे तब से ना नैनदीप जब मैंने वो चीज सुनी अपने लिए कि somebody is asking me to sleep with him was something, it broke me. And मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कैसी इंडस्ट्री में हूँ जहाँ लोग मुझसे इतने इजीली बोल सकते हैं कि आपको सोना पड़ेगा. You understood? I don't know whether you will understand. As a girl, I felt so in this. I'm so sorry, but I felt like मैं इसकी बैंड बजा दूँ, you know. और फिर हाँ, उसके बाद मैं वापस जब फिल्म में आई,
By then you are already done.
Yeah. Okay. Like, yeah. So I don't take anybody's name, but yes, I felt it. Like, with just holding hands, I felt it, and he was somebody, you know, like everybody knows, and I felt
some big actor.
Yeah, some big actor. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा मैंने अपना हाथ छोड़ा क्योंकि I got those vibes and I knew it. अब मेरा यहाँ नहीं होगा क्योंकि it's very important that जो भी सामने बैठा है वो भी it's a, you know, give and take thing. And I understood and I left from there. I was like, no, this is not for me. But I'm sure there is something for me. Maybe not this way.
मुंह पे बोल दिया कि नहीं होगा.
Yes.
What when you
No. Nobody said like that कि नहीं होगा. But I felt it. He was very clear कि अरे इसको कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा, बाहर जाएगी तो इसका होगा नहीं होगा.